Hi guys, so if you've been following me for any length of time, you will probably remember these picture frames that I made a couple of years ago. So the only problem with my tutorial for these is that the mats and the photos are actually stuck down. A reader actually alerted me to repositionable glue dots, which in effect will make this a project where you can actually switch out the pictures as you need to. So this is the first time that I've had to switch out the pictures, so I'm going to show you how I do it. If you've already made it and your pictures are stuck down, don't worry. I've already fixed two of mine and they came out perfect, so you can do the same. If this is going to be your first time making them, make sure you use the repositionable glue dots if you ever think you're going to want to change out the pictures. So I'm just going to run my finger under the mat to try to loosen it up. It's going to be the photo that I'm replacing it with. So all I'm going to do is use these repositionable glue dots. So they're super easy to use. All you need to do is take a strip, place it down, rub the backing, and then pull the backing off. Center your picture over here. And again, they're repositionable, so if you don't get it right the first time, just fix it. Okay. Then I'm going to do the same for the mat. I'm going to put glue dots and then I'm going to put it down.